Hello, this is Darlene from Darlene's Junk Journals and More. And excuse my arm. I'm here today to show you a junk journal that I made. Well, actually, it's a writing journal that I made as a gift, and it's for an outdoor adventurer who likes to live out in the woods. And they have chosen to live out there. And so this is the journal that I made for them to keep track. They're writing a book while they're there, and so this is the journal that I've made for them. So this is a pocket. I used 3 different kits for this. Mainly, my main kit is from MixedMediaMinnosota. It's called I can't remember the name of the kit. It'll be down below. And this paper here is from Art by Tina Faye, and it's called Winter Pine. And this one I think is called, I just can't think of it, something wilderness. Anyway, and then I did washi tape, or full washi tape, from a number of different sources. I think one's I'll list those down below too. Anyway, this is just the journal. I'm just going to quickly go through it. I apologize for my voice. I wouldn't do this video normally today, but I have to get it done. And I just mainly wanted to show it. So I'm going to stop talking now and just go through it. And I'll talk at the end. The mushrooms I used from this are from the Botanicals anthology book. thought they went so nicely in this. So that's it. And I hope you enjoyed. I did not do anything on the front because this is called A Winter's Promise, and so I just left the binding as it was. And I hope you enjoyed that. Bye now.